So mixing with headphones, yay or nay? I am a fan of mixing with headphones. I used to not be. I've warmed up to them for a couple reasons. One, if you're brand new to recording, you're probably in a bad sounding room. So no matter how good your speakers are, they're not going to sound great in that room. So it's going to be lying to you. It's going to be adding frequencies that aren't there or hiding frequencies that should be there. Headphones eliminate the room as a problem. So you hear literally just the tracks because there's nothing between the sound and your ear. So that's helpful to hear better. And then also they're consistent. You can go from studio to studio, or different room to different room, or like I went to Starbucks and mixed an EP at Starbucks, but the headphones follow with you and they're the same no matter what the room situation. So you have an opportunity to mix consistently. So I'm a fan of those. The problem with headphones is they fatigue your ears faster because it's a lot of sound blasted right to your ear. They're also a little extreme in terms of the panning because you're hearing things directly on your ears as opposed to in front of you. So it can actually cause you to not pan as extreme as you should because you're like, oh, that sounds too far to the left or the right. When really that's probably would be great on speakers. And then yeah, your ears, they compress naturally, so you wouldn't want to mix on headphones for a long period of time. You want to take more breaks. And then in general, I don't want to mix on one set of speakers or headphones ever. I don't trust one set of speakers or headphones. I'll use one as a baseline, but at least listen to something else to A, wake up your ears when you hear a different speaker or headphones, and B, learn what your mix sounds like on something else. It might reveal something weird that you missed on the one pair of speakers, because every speaker or headphone has a different EQ curve to it. So I don't do one thing exclusively, but you can definitely make records on headphones. A lot of big name guys are starting to do that because they need to, and they may not tell you, but they're making records on headphones. It's possible.